Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain a complete tutorial on support and resistance. So based on Bank Nifty and Nifty, I am going to give a complete tutorial how we have to use support and resistance for our intraday trading and how we can make profit by using support and resistance. So watch completely this video, then you'll be getting a better idea how we have to set up our support and resistance and how we can take a trade based on support and resistance. So those who are using this strategy in future, kindly comment below this video like your feedback, your suggestions and how much profit you are making by using this strategy. So comment all those things below this video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see lot of videos related to market. You can see like VWAP and RSI. Again, you can see support and resistance for intraday trading. Same way, like I will be suggesting lot of long-term stocks, and you can see the basics of stock market, how to buy and sell in advance, like that lot of things you can see in my YouTube channel. So those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain a complete tutorial on support and resistance of Bank Nifty and Nifty. For explaining support and resistance, I have opened my TradingView platform. If you are not aware about TradingView platform, the link I have given in the suggested videos. So you can visit my suggested videos and you will be getting a better idea about what is TradingView platform. Okay, first thing let us see Nifty. So just click on Nifty. First I will remove all my support and resistance, then I will show you how to set up. So okay, this is how you will be getting a chart. Like when you are opening the Nifty chart, today's chart you can see. Today is 18th August. And you can see like when you are opening a Nifty chart, you will be getting like only there will be some green candle and there will be some red candle. So based on this, you will not be able to identify like where you have to entry, where you have to make an entry and exit, or how you will not be getting a better idea like what is support and resistance. So for support and resistance, we can set up in one click. So that is what I am going to explain now. So for support and resistance in TradingView application, it is a inbuilt, okay. So in one click, you will be getting the entire support and resistance. So for that, you have to go to template. Here you can see the template. So just go to the template. In template, you can see there is a star mark, Sync Trading. So just click on Sync Trading. So once you click on the Sync Trading, you can see the entire support and resistance is added to your chart. So this is very simple, okay, like very simple. Within a second, you can set up your support and resistance, and you can start trading based on support and resistance. So right now you can see this will be applicable now for all the stocks or all the Bank Nifty. So not required to go and set up every time. So once if you are done with the support and resistance, it will be applicable for all the time. So okay, now you can see today Nifty was open above R1. So here you can see R1. So like the top level like R1, R2 are the resistance point, and downside you can see S1, S2 are the support point. So if Nifty is broken resistance or support, you have to be aware that Nifty can go either upside or downside. So if resistance is broken, Nifty can go upper side, and if the resistance is broken like below side, Nifty can go to support level. So this is the major point you have to keep in mind when you are going for a trading. And right now you can see Nifty has broken the resistance 1 and it was going up. It means Nifty is going upside. So Nifty is a bullish side. So that is the reason we can take a trade, like even you can take a trade like just below this point, and you can keep your stop loss just below the R1. So that also you will be getting like you will be getting a profit till R2, because once the R1 is broken, Nifty can go to R2 as well as. So here you can see Nifty went to R2, and when it reached to R2, you have to be aware like if it is not crossing and if there is a red candle, it can go to the R1 again. So that is what you have to remember like when you are using support and resistance. So this is like one of the best strategy you can use for your intraday trading. And immediately you can see it was started from the R1 and it went to R2. From R2 you can see it is not crossed there in the morning, and it touched there, and you can see there is a red line, and again it came back to R1. So in this occasion I have also taken a call, and you can see in my Telegram channel, okay, I'll open my Telegram channel. And here you can see even I have clearly mentioned Nifty support at 11,295, and you can see the resistance point was 11,295 and my support was 11,210. So this was the point I was given. Like if you are joining to this group, you will be getting all the updates, like what is Nifty status and where we have to invest. All those things I will be sharing, and this group is absolutely free. Okay, in the same way you can see there is a WhatsApp group as well as. So both group will be same. Like if you want to join in WhatsApp group, you can join my WhatsApp group, or if you want to join my Telegram group, you can join in my Telegram group. So both link I have given in the description. Okay, now let us come to the Telegram part. So here you can see I told to buy Nifty 11,300 above 68, and my stop loss also you can see. The stop loss also not required to maintain a huge stop loss. So only I was given only around 5 point stop loss, and if you can see the target was 80 and almost 75 we have exceeded. It means like we could get almost 5 point profit we could get from there. So that was like we know like the support and resistance was nearby that. So that is the reason we could not make a huge profit. Still we could make almost 5 point. So that is the advantage of support and resistance. And you can see like a lot of people made a profit out of that as well as. You can see like 500, 300, 400 and what people made profit out of that call. So this group is absolutely free. Okay, the link I have given in the description. See, immediately you can see Nifty was taken support here. Here you can see down again Nifty came to R1 and it takes support from there. Here again you have to be aware, like when it came down to the R1, it is taking support there. So you have to be aware, and you can go for a C side. And if you see the C side, it is going up to again R2. And when you see R2 here, okay, here you can see this area you can see R2 is broken with a huge candle. It means the volume is increased and the R2 is broken. So if R2 is broken, you can go for a buy side, because you can go for a C side. It means the market is on a bullish side. It was broken resistance too, and market now it will going to be upside, and that is what happens. You can see after that it is going such a way up. So this is how we can use your support and resistance. And whenever there is a support is broken, like upside or downside, if it is upside you have to go for C side, and if it is a downside you have to go with the P side. So you can make a good profit, and you have to maintain a small stop loss like just below the support or resistance. You have to maintain the stop loss, and you can go for a better trade. So that is what the advantage of support and resistance. So same thing I will show you in Bank Nifty as well as. So let us go to Bank Nifty. So now we have already saved our sync trading strategy, okay, so that you will be getting support and resistance for all the stocks now. So already it is there. Like if you go to Bank Nifty, the support and resistance is already applicable there. And if you go same thing, you can see here Nifty was opened just below the pivot point. So pivot point means it is like it was taken support there, and if you see like till 11 o'clock it was going just above the pivot point. It means it was taken support there now. And if you see like immediately, if you see it is going up, and suddenly if you see here, if you can take an entry here also, you can see like after that you can see it is going up and it went to the resistance 1. Okay, from resistance 1 you can see it was broken resistance 1 and it was moving. From there you can make at least 30 to 40 points you can make with the support and resistance. Like if you are really like observing the support and resistance, like as soon as the support or resistance is broken, you have to enter and you can make a good money out of that. So this strategy is very good. Okay, if you are using support and resistance strategy, always you have to wait for the support or resistance to broken, then only you have to enter. Like some people what they do, by seeing here only they will enter. So like here you can see like it was came and touched to the here you can see the pivot point. So some people will think, okay, this is going to be the downside, but if you see the candle, it is not broken. So once it is broken and you have to wait for another 2 candle, okay, then only you have to enter. And always when you are going for an support and resistance strategy, here you have to select always 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so based on time 5 minutes only you have to take a trade. So this is like the major aspect of support and resistance. So support and resistance is a very good strategy you can use for your future trading. And those who are using this strategy, kindly comment below this video like how much profit you are making, and if you are really comfortable with this strategy, also you can comment below this video. And if you have any feedback or any suggestions, kindly comment below this video. So this is all about support and resistance. So this is a very simple strategy. So in the same way, like those who need more support, or like those who need more additional support, you can join my Telegram or WhatsApp group. So all the ideas I'll be sharing in my WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Like today you can see I'll be sharing like what is support point, what is resistance point, and where we have to trade. Like all those things I'll be sharing in my WhatsApp group as well as my Telegram channel. So those who are interested to join here, you can join. The link I have given in my comment as well as my description. So you can visit my description or comment box and you can join to this group. So both groups are absolutely free. Anyone interested to open account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. Hope today's topic is clear, and if you have any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.